Hello, we have iPhone SE 64 GB, A plus used. Like you see, seal pack, accessories, everything's inside include, like brand new. So we open seal and show you the phones. Phones no have scratch, fully functional. We tested, and phones 100% original. You see have IMEI label backside, and this SE 64 GB Euro Spec discus. Discus Euro Spec. We have two color, silver and rose gold. So we have very less quantity A plus, and also we have A grade one, and A grade one also same type. A grade one like silent scratch. Maybe very small point you cannot see even. Also their A grade one is good. We have A plus and A grade one, and total is 100 somethings quantity. So two color Euro Spec. We have physical in Hong Kong. You see the accessories, everything's included, like brand new. So if you like, let me know. Thank you very much.